Namaste everyone and welcome to Data Millennials.
Hey everyone, welcome back to our Excel series. In this video, I am going to show you how you can apply borders in Excel dataset. So let's go. Okay, so now suppose you got a data from somebody else where you have to format it, and when I say format it, it means that you have to make it more presentable. Currently, I have copy pasted the data from this raw data sheet, and you can see that the format is quite different as compared to this raw data sheet, right? Now, when I say we need to apply borders, that means that we have to enclose each and every cell with a particular border based. You can color the border based on your requirement. So let's go and see it. So for example, if you want to apply border on a dataset, how you can do it? To do that, you need to select the entire range, and you can select this entire range either by pressing Ctrl A after clicking on any of the cell within the dataset. That will select your entire range of this data. The other way is to go on the first cell, then press Ctrl Shift and right key, then again press Ctrl Shift and down key. This will select your entire range again. Now, the shortcut of applying border is Alt H, B and A. This means that all the cells will be enclosed in borders. So right now I have told you the shortcut, which is Alt H, B and A. This A means all border, right? So I'll tell you the another way of doing it. So let me undo it first. Okay, so we have selected this entire range and we need to border it. To do that, we need to go to Home tab. Now you can see my mouse pointer here, all borders, right? So if you want to only put border for the bottom cell, you can use this one. For example, currently the last row doesn't have our border, right? And for example, if our dataset contain grand total, right, then we might need to put something which separates our data with our grand total. And so I'm just applying a formula for sum of all these columns now. So I'll select this entire row, okay, and I need to apply a border on this row number 34 so that it can distinguish, or we can distinguish the row above and below. So I'll go to Home, then this all borders, and I'll use the bottom border. When I clicked on bottom border, you will see that there is a border line coming in the down of this row, at the bottom of this row. Similarly, if you want to apply border on the top of the data, right, on the top of the row, then you need to select the row, basically again go to all borders and this top border. Now you will see that for this row, this particular row which I have highlighted, the border is applied for the top of this row, but for this particular row, border is applied on the bottom, right? Now another example for borders is that if you want to put a left border on the left side, you can do this. You can see left border is here. Now if you want to put border on the right side, you can use this right border. Now one of the other important thing is that once you get data something like this in this format where you have borders unevenly bordered, or border has been applied on uneven cells, then what you can do is that you can select this entire row, this entire range, and then go to borders and select no border. This means that all the border which has been applied on this range will be removed. And if you want to put borders on each and every cell of this range, then again you have to go to this borders and all borders. So all the cells will be enclosed in the borders. Now one of the major thing for with borders is that if you want to put border in a thick line, thick outside border, then you can use this thick outside border, and you will see that the outside layer or the last column and the last row will have a thick border. Now you can't see this on on column A and the first row, because this is the first row and this is the first column, due to which you are unable to see it. But if you include or insert a new row above, you will see there is already a border. So that's the tricky part. Okay, I have inserted a new column here to show you that the border has been applied in this column as well as in this top row. Now if you want to change the color of border, how you can do this? You have to go back to all borders, then go to line color, okay, and change the color of the line. Now you will get something like this pencil, which you can see on my screen currently. You just need to again either press escape, okay, then press Ctrl A, go to borders and all borders. Now you will see that your entire border, which was earlier in black color, now it's in red color. So you have chosen a particular color, and based on your requirement you can change the color of the borders. Similarly, you can erase the border also, and you can choose multiple line color for your borders. With this with this more border option, you will have multiple options of border. Like for example, if you want to put dashes as the border, or a double line, or a very thick line, it totally depends upon your requirement. You just need to select it and click OK. Okay, for example, I'm selecting this thick line and I'm clicking OK. Now I'll just select this entire range, and then again I'll put all borders. I'll put thick borders. So my border is thick now. So I have selected the line style. You can also select this line style from this option. Below this line color, you can select the line style of double. Now you just need to press escape. Once again you will see this pencil option. You just need to press escape, and then again select this entire range, go to borders and press all borders. Now you can see that you will have double line which you have selected. So we have reached at the end of this video. In our next video, I'll show you how you can use conditional formatting to format cells based on their values. Hey, if you find this video insightful, then do check out other videos and hit the like and subscribe button.